Happy Easter everyone, this is Richard here, BNI Director Consultant in Auckland, just explaining a new initiative that we're rolling out for BNI Education Nuggets from April 1. And what we're doing is changing away from the old style of the nugget, which is kind of an idea and a bit of a concept, to actually giving the education coordinators the information they need to help improve their groups for the benefit of all the members. And that's because we believe that 3 to 5 minutes shouldn't be wasted on general fluff that someone might come up off their own behalf, but it should be used to make the actual group grow and get better. So we've got a program, and we've been doing this in our own groups in Auckland now for a year. So we've been working on this from a concept of that's what the education nuggets were used for, giving them an email saying what that we want them to do, to moving through to what we are going to send out now, which really gives them a lot of information and a lot of tools to bring into their education nugget. So, and we're going to tell them, as you see in Graham Southwell's email, the first 10 weeks are stepped out, and we know pretty much what we're going to do through to week 26, but we're leaving it fluid after week 10 so that we can change according to groups' needs. So what they'll get, so first week out, this next week, we're recommending that the education coordinator step aside from the slot and the president comes in and actually says what their agenda is for the group and what they're trying to achieve. So they will get each week a PowerPoint that enables this, that they can edit, and there's things they need to edit in this week's PowerPoint, and Sarah's taking those raw PowerPoints we're creating and then making them A, grammatically correct, and B, putting some fun graphics into them. They'll get a video of me explaining what we're trying to do with the education. It's not me presenting the education, because the risk would be they'd just stick me up on screen, boring the heck out of the group. We want them to take the PowerPoint, listen to the video, and then put their energy and excitement into it. And when you go to your groups, you've got to coach those education coordinators to step out of their skins and really use this material to wake the group up, not to send them to sleep. They'll also get a link to any relevant podcasts. So week 1, there's a link through to Ivan Meisner talking about the pillars of creating a successful group. They'll get any documentation we want to create to help them do it. So week 1, they're going to get a copy of the PALMS report with how to work out their numbers. And then they'll also get an email explaining it. So that's what we're going to do. I hope you enjoy it and see the value of it. It's certainly helped our groups that Graham and I look after in Auckland. It's part of what we're trying to do as an entire package for our groups. And definitely the education coordinators have run hard with it and added something to it. It's really brought up the standard of each person, each member in the group. So again, have a great Easter, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you very much.